how to view all your liked pictures on Instagram. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply check up or see all your liked photos or posts on Instagram. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. First of all, you're going to open up your Instagram application. Once you are there, you're going to go into the profile icon that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. Once you do that, this is a kind of a similar page would appear up on your screen. Then you're going to go into the settings menu that is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you go over there, you're going to go into the your activity in this dialog box. Once you go over there, you're going to look for interactions. That would be the number third option out of these. So once you tap on it, you're going to go into the likes in this interactions page that would consist of 2 to 3 options. So in the likes, you'll get to know about all the pictures that you have recently liked. So this is how you do it. This is how you see the Instagram photos that you have liked or that have been liked by you. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.